Unity System Solutions. Brand new design, clean lines define the look and feel of the new 2022 TUF-F15. A mecha-inspired aluminum top cover is available in off-black or moonlight white. This modern design is at home, at LAN parties and offices alike, closing down to a streamlined 19.95mm thin for portability between both. Super narrow bezels continue the theme, maximizing screen space with minimal distraction. The dashing looks don't compromise a classic TUF core that meets military-grade MIL STD standards. Performance. Always ready for action, preloaded with Windows 11, the TUF-F15 darts with ease between gaming, streaming, and more. Up to an 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12450H CPU and blisteringly fast 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM power through everyday work and play. Leverage the full gaming performance of the GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU with a dedicated MUX switch. And when your game library gets full, an empty M.2 NVMe SSD slot makes upgrading storage capacity a breeze. Game at pro speed with a lightning-fast IPS level panel up to QHD 165Hz, 3 milliseconds with 100% DCI-P3 coverage, or the FHD 300Hz display with 100% sRGB. With Adaptive Sync, the display's refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering, and eliminate visual tearing for ultra-smooth and immersive gameplay. QHD-165Hz FHD-300Hz. The keyboard's desktop-style layout features spaces between function keys for intuitive identification and hotkeys to keep vital commands within easy reach. A travel distance of 1.7mm allows for effortless keystrokes with the potential to increase your input speed. Amplify your experience. Game, stream, and do more at blazing speeds with a high-performance Intel Core i5-12450H CPU. These high-performance processors are engineered to deliver enthusiast-level gameplay in smaller, slimmer, and more portable devices than ever. Bolstered by comprehensive cooling, this 10-core, 16-thread processor clocks up to an astounding 4.7 GHz to blast through even the most heavy-duty workloads. Expandable storage games and apps load faster than ever on the nimble NVMe Express (NVMe) SSD. Snappier load time means you can spend less time waiting and more time gaming. Take your must-play titles on the go with the up to 1TB PCIe drive, or add a second drive via the Open M.2 SSD slot for a multi-terabyte collection. More multitasking. The dual-channel DDR5 4800 MHz memory keeps things fast and smooth, from everyday multitasking to heavy multimedia rendering. High-performance RAM lets you switch between gaming, streaming, and web browsing seamlessly, so you can stay focused on the action without slowdown. Cooling ready for anything. Comprehensive cooling sustains long-term system reliability and extends the lifespan of the TUF-F15. New 84-blade arc flow fans use varying thickness to reduce air collision and an anti-resonance design designed for high airflow. Anti-dust tunnels eject air from up to 4 fan outlets, maintaining peak operation for longer and without extra fan noise, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in another world.